In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bring text to front in Canva. If you've ever added a headline, a call to action, or a text box to your design and then realized it's hidden behind an image or shape, don't worry. This is a very common issue, and the good news is that Canva makes it easy to fix once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to bring that hidden text forward so it sits clearly on top of the other elements in your design. To get started, open Canva and make sure you're inside an actual design project. This part matters because the layer and positioning tools only appear when you're working in the editor. From the Canva homepage, click Create a Design if you want to start something new, or open an existing project if you already have one saved. Once the design loads, you should be looking at your editing canvas. Next, find the text element that's hidden behind another object. If part of the text box is still visible, even just a small edge or boundary, click that area to select it. If the text is completely covered, select the object that's sitting on top first. Then on Mac, use Command and click, or on Windows, use Control and click to cycle through the layers until the text box is selected. This is especially helpful when multiple elements are stacked in the same area and hard to reach. Once your text box is selected, go up to the toolbar at the top of the editor and click Position. This opens Canva's arrangement controls where you can manage how elements are layered on the page. It's the main place you'll use whenever something needs to move forward or backward in your design. Inside that panel, make sure you're in the Arrange section. You'll see options like forward and to front. If you want the text to move above everything else on the canvas, click to front. Canva will immediately place that text layer at the top of the stack. If you prefer a faster method, you can also use a keyboard shortcut. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and the right bracket key. On Windows, press Control, Shift, and the right bracket key. To double check everything, switch to the Layers view in the same panel. This gives you a clearer look at all the elements in your design and their order. Make sure your text appears at the top of the list. When everything looks right, click the lock icon in the top toolbar if you want to prevent that text from being moved by accident. And that's it. Now you know how to bring text to the front in Canva quickly and cleanly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you.